You don't need a lot of money to build an effective chicken coop. These are storing the feed. Dispensed with old Folgers canisters. You can see the construction here is basic. Got some lighting from Amazon that's solar generated. Towel. This chicken wire. Steaks. You can buy those from Lowe's or Home Depot type of store. You can see the framing here for the chicken perches. It's just made out of the timber right here in the forest on the outside. Not a lot of money. You need something for a overhead shelter to keep the rain and whatever out, and keep the hawks from being able to dive in here. You don't need high tech. The chickens are just going to poop all over it. That's a water catchment system. You can see there's a gutter system. The feed system here. Got some extra water. These are the young chickens. They don't live in here. They're just curious what I'm doing. You got a layer right here. But yeah, you don't need a lot of money and fancy design for your chicken coop. And frankly, you don't even need a lot of room. These are cool birds. If anybody knows what kind of birds these ones with the black and brown are, these two here, just leave something in the comment section. I don't know what kind of birds they are. They're kind of cool looking though. Or even this gray one here. I don't know what kind of bird that is. So they think I got some scraps for them. And the chickens, as far as, what they need, just a little bit of space to room, a place to lay eggs, food, getting these chickens going. Got some layer feed. Get a Tractor Supply. Got some cracked corn. Supplement their diet. And they eat bugs. You gotta get out and roam and eat bugs. That's why they're sifting through all these leaves. Keep them busy eating bugs. Give them something to do during the day. There's Calico Jack. This white bird on the left, that hen, she's a nice bird. Picked her up for the first time yesterday. These young birds are a little wary of people, but they know where the food comes from. That'd be a rooster right there. Young one. Got some Australope. They look like crows. Got the southern clay ground. It's going to be good for this situation. We have at least one on the ground still. Everybody's got their spot. He hangs out right here. I think there's a little mouse down there you saw. It's part of the game though. I don't like to disturb them. I count them. 9. Pretty mixing up there. That's the right count. Have a good night, guys.